Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you Route 53 and I will show you how to purchase a domain in GoDaddy, and then we'll host a website on S3, and then the S3 bucket endpoint will make up with the help of Route 53. So let's start the practical and understand this project. So now very first guys, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain in GoDaddy. So if you'll go in the GoDaddy website, you will see this interface. So now type, I'm trying to purchase one domain guys, and you have .site, .com, .in, lot of domain available. So I'm trying with hamidtrainer.edu.site. Let's see whether this domain is available or not. Yeah, now you can see hamidtrainer.edu.site is available, and for the pricing is 90 rupees for first year. Okay, and you will see. So once it will come to continue, I want this, suppose now you can see guys here in the right side you have option like you can select .com also, you have option .in, .info, .net, .store. There are many, based on your requirement you can go and select the domain, but here I am showing you .site. Once come, just go and click this continue. Yeah, once you click here, it's taking a little bit time. Yeah, I think it's okay, just wait. Now click this continue. Once you click this continue, now go to full domain protection, or you have to no domain protection. So what I will do, I don't want full domain protection here, just I'll go with the no more domain protection and continue with the cart. The next is, yeah, you can see now it will show you in the cart. Yeah, it's taking time guys, a little bit. So what I will do, in my AWS, in the search box I will type S3. In S3 service guys, I will create a bucket. So what you will do in S3, we'll go out and create a bucket, and in bucket I will upload a file, and then we'll host that website. Guys, still taking time. So now come here to your S3. Once you will be in S3, yeah, now you can see bucket, general purpose bucket, directory bucket, table bucket. There are a lot of buckets option. So what I want to create which bucket? General purpose bucket. Don't go with this directory and table bucket guys. And if you're new to my channel guys, please watch my previous video where I shown completely S3 and CloudFront. So I want to create a bucket, and bucket will host what? Website guys. So we have general purpose and directory bucket. So go with general purpose bucket, and the global namespace, bucket name, global namespace. So what is the globe? You have to give the name. So here I'm giving guys the name of the this one bucket name, hamidtrainer.site guys. I will tell you why I took this only, but normally when you create a bucket you can give any name, but it should be unique. But I'm giving hamidtrainer.site. I will tell you why. Okay, next ACL enable, because I want to access this website through the internet, and I'm not using here CloudFront guys. By default bucket is what? Private. So I want to make it public, then only I can access it through the internet. Okay guys, next bucket versioning, leave it as it is, default encryption type as it is. Just create a bucket. Once you create a bucket guys, see this is still under process. Yeah, bucket has created guys. See, hamidtrainer.site bucket came. Now what happened the next? I want to upload a file guys. So upload, and in upload you have two options. Either you can drag and drop, or you can add a file. See, drag and drop or add a file. So what I will do, add files. When you click add files, so I have a file guys here, that is one is home, and this is my file name, which contain the HTML and one JPG image. Okay, just click this one and upload this file. Once you've done this process, okay, uploading, okay, yeah, done. Now go to properties tab guys. So still it's taking time, that's why I'm showing this process. Once you go in the properties, just go down. We don't want bucket versioning, default encryption as it is, everything is as it is. Now you can see important one, static website hosting, and this is by default is what guys, disable. We need to make it enable. So click enable, make it enable. Once you make it enable, and the hosting type is host a static website, and your page, your default is what, home. If it is in your case guys in different name, just write a different name. In my case I have a default page that is home, that's why I'm putting that name. And just go save changes. Once you do this part, come again. Once it will save changes guys, it will show you, yeah, done. Now in the same tab, go down guys. In the properties tab, go down, you will see something. You can see guys, this is lengthy name, website, endpoint. This name I don't want. I want a beautiful name. That's why we are purchasing a domain and we are backuping with the help of Route 53. So I will show you first. Once I copy and I will try to access it. Now you can see still we are not able to access. Already we done a public access to the bucket, but still we have to do we need to edit a bucket policy guys here. So go here and you can see permissions, go to permissions. Okay, now you can see already block public access is off guys. Still we are not able to do it. Why? Because we need to edit a bucket policy, and I will provide you the bucket policy in the description, don't worry. So copy the bucket policy here. It says I want to access this bucket. Which bucket guys? This bucket, the bucket which I created. I want to access this bucket which contain files. See, already we have public, still we are not able to do this. Once I edit the policy, save changes. See guys, successfully edited bucket policy. Now come here. Now again refresh the page. Wow, you can see we are able to access the website, but the website is having what, lengthy name. I don't want this lengthy name, that's why we are going what, Route 53. So now come again to the GoDaddy and let's see Hamid-Trainer.edu, what it's showing me. So 5 years 14,000. I don't want this one guys, so go with 1 year. If we'll go with 1 year, it will change for the 90 rupees for first year. Go with, I don't want full protection, just go and ready to check out. Now guys, we have option credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI. So I'll go it will go click on UPI, just reorder, continue purchase. Once you've done the processing, you will see the total, and you will see, just make the payment here and click on this, close this one. It will go to back to your GoDaddy page. Once you done this part, you already done the purchasing your domain. Once you purchase the domain, already we have website running with this name. I don't want this name guys, so that's why we need to go where, let me open the page which I just closed tab. Okay, let's refresh it, and okay, now you can see It will load little bit, it takes time. So before that, what I will do, now I want to make up this website name. So for that, I'll go with route 53, DNS 53, DNS is port number 53. So click on the route 53 service, guys. Before that, let's see, still taking time. Come here, route 53, and even in route 53 also, guys, you can purchase the domain. You can see, guys, register a domain. But what I did, I'm purchasing from GoDaddy. If you are purchasing from GoDaddy, then here you need to create a hosted zone. If already you purchase, if you're purchasing in AWS route 53, then here hosted zone, automatically one hosted zone will create for you. That's very important to understand. Now we need to create a hosted zone. You can see still taking time. Now, guys, what I have to do here? Here we need to create a hosted zone. You can see here, if you purchase in route 53, then no, automatically you will see the created hosted zone. But we created where our domain is in GoDaddy. So for that, we need to create a hosted zone. In route 53, first you need to create a hosted zone and then a record. It's asking domain name. So the domain name you purchase in GoDaddy, that domain name you want to add here, guys. Okay. So go to the GoDaddy, and still it's still loading, guys. Yeah, done. Now continue. Once you will continue, you will see my products. You have to click the my products, and you can see, guys, domain. Go to the domain. Guys, now you can see it's asking for search or copy paste domain. So already I purchased a domain, guys. Already have a domain with the name hamidtrainer.site. Let me try to search whether this domain available or not. You can see hamidtrainer.site is available, guys. This domain I purchased. Click this domain, and this part is very important. If you miss this part, guys, you are not able to make the route 53 makeup and can't able to access the website with the name your domain you purchased. Now you can see, guys, hamidtrainer.site. Copy this domain. Once you will copy, come to your route 53 and the domain name, you have to give this domain name, guys. Remember this. If you will miss this, then you can't access it. So now my domain name in hosted zone and the domain name which you purchased, same. Okay. Next, it will ask you public hosted zone or private hosted zone. So I want public hosted zone because I want to access it through the internet. Next, just create hosted zone. So this is very important. Once you create a hosted zone, guys, automatically 2 records will come here. I will show you that record. You can see 2 record came for this record trainer, Hamid trainer. That is NS, type is NS, NS means name server, and state of authority SOA. Any name server, guys, once you will create a hosted zone, automatically default 2 records will come, which is type and name server and SOA. In name server, you can see there are 4, what 4? 4 name server, guys. This 4 name server I want to add where in my domain. Go to DNS, guys, and if you go in DNS, you can see we have name server. So if I click this name server, it will showing me this name server, guys, and this name server is where? This is from GoDaddy one name server. I don't want this one because our website is where? In S3. Where is S3? In AWS. So this route 53 we have say 4. So we need to copy this, guys. So copy 1 and the copy, we have to copy the all 4. So come here, guys, and change the name server Once we'll click a change name server. Now guys, GoDaddy name server I don't want, I will use own my server. Click this and add this server. Next, you have to add this 4 guys and properly add. Come here again, add this also. Now we have two remain. Again come here and copy this also. Copy this also. Okay, you need to copy all 4. Just copy this one also. Add name server. Again come here. This is mandatory guys, and this part is very important. Once done guys, just go and save the changes. Okay, just continue. Now if it is, yeah, your request is in progress. If it is done, then we can able to see that. Which one? Come here guys. Now guys, one more thing we need to do it. What is? After creating hosted zone, we need to create a record. And the record is what? See guys, you can see my domain name hamidtrainer.site. If you want subdomain, you can write subdomain name like Azure or whatever you want .hamidtrainer.site. But as of now, I am leaving this one. And you can see my this domain name and my website name, both are same. If you are using CloudFront, then don't make your website bucket name and your domain name same. So now you can see we have record hamidtrainer.site. If you want to keep, you can write any domain name. Next, record types. Guys, you have record type A routes traffic to IPv4 address and some AWS resources. And after that, you have option. This many record type you have. So what I will do, I want my requirement record type A with the some AWS resources. Now second, where is my website guys? In S3. S3 doesn't have the IP address. If you have server EC2 server, then you can pass the IP address. So for that you need to alias. Click this alias and route traffic. Where is your website? And website is in S3. So click the alias to S3 website endpoint. Now where is the region? In which region your website is? In Mumbai region. Select that one also. Now you can see my website endpoint name. You have to give this name. Once done, just create a records. Okay guys, once you create a record, we are almost done. Now you can see guys, we create a record type A. See this one and these two. When you create a hosted zone, these two record automatically. Now already have this one. We copy this one name server in GoDaddy name server guys here. Don't keep it default one because our site is in S3. So we copy this, paste here in name server. Once done, now we have what guys? Hamid Trainer. This one is what is it? We create a record which is pointing to this website guys. Now this time what I will do, just come up. Now you can see this is our bucket name which is hosting of website and is having so lengthy name. But what did we did done what? Makeup guys. And the makeup is what? hamidtrainer.site. This time we are not going with and hit this endpoint. Now let's try to hit. Copy this guys. Once you will copy this and I will try to. Now you can see guys, wow, successfully I done the makeup guys. This is our domain name hamidtrainer.site which we purchased guys here in GoDaddy. You can see this is the hamidtrainer.site. This domain is working properly guys. You come here and you can see. And now if you want to deal this way, you can do the practical guys. See here we have lengthy name. We done the makeup with the help of Route 53. In Route 53 we need to create a what? Hosted zone. And after creating hosted zone, the name server will come. The name server, you need to this name server, 4 name server to copy in GoDaddy name server. Once done, create a record. After creating a record, you will get what? Create record name. Just go and create it, and after that just try to hit it. Once everything is okay, now you will see we done the practical, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, comment me, and so that I can come with a new content. Thanks for watching this video, guys.